As the October wind begins to howl and shadows stretch long across the yard, a familiar rattle echoes through the night. The skeletons are waking. They climb from the soil, hang from porches, and take over lawns with grinning faces and bony charm. Whether you want your setup to be spooky, silly, or simply spectacular, skeletons are the stars of every Halloween scene. From DIY skeleton displays to 12-foot towering giants, we're exploring ideas that will bring your yard, porch, and home to life, ironically, with the dead. So grab your skulls, lights, and a wicked sense of humor, because it's time to make this year's skeleton display unforgettable. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where every season comes alive with creativity and festive spirit. In today's video, we're diving into Halloween skeleton decoration ideas, from funny, posable setups to hauntingly realistic displays. Whether you're decorating your porch, crafting DIY bone displays, or designing an entire yard graveyard, these ideas will help you create a Halloween setup that's spooky, stylish, and full of personality. Why are skeletons such a must-have Halloween decoration? Skeletons strike the perfect balance between eerie and entertaining. They can be creepy, comical, or even cute, depending on how you pose and style them. Plus, they fit any theme, from haunted mansion to horror humor. What are some creative ways to use skeletons outdoors? Play skeletons climbing fences, sitting on swings, or relaxing in lawn chairs with drinks. You can even create a skeleton band or picnic scene for added fun. Outdoor lighting or fog machines make them look alive when the sun sets. If you love creative outdoor setups like this video, and share it with your Halloween decor friends. How can I make a DIY skeleton display at home? Use inexpensive plastic skeletons and add character with paint, costumes, and props. Old clothes, wigs, and accessories can turn them into pirates, bikers, or even wedding couples. A little creativity turns a plain skeleton into a Halloween legend. What are some funny posable skeleton ideas? Pose your skeletons doing everyday activities, walking dogs, mowing lawns, or doing yoga. Add humorous signs like bon appetit or no guts, no glory. It's the perfect blend of spooky and silly that guests will love. What's your favorite funny skeleton idea? Tell us below. We might just feature your idea in a future video. What are scary skeleton yard setup ideas? Create a graveyard scene with half-buried skeletons reaching out of the ground, glowing red eyes, and fog creeping between tombstones. Use eerie lighting and sound effects for a bone-chilling atmosphere that gives guests goosebumps. How can I make cute skeleton decorations instead of creepy ones? Dress them in hats, scarves, or sunglasses. Add pastel colors, fairy lights, or even pumpkins as accessories. Cute skeletons make great porch or entryway decor that's spooky but still family-friendly. For more Halloween porch and cute spooky decor, check out our playlist linked in the description below. How can I decorate with a 12-foot skeleton? The giant skeleton is your centerpiece. Make it the star of the show. Pose it climbing your house, holding a pumpkin, or waving to neighbors. Surround it with smaller skeletons or glowing jack-o'-lanterns to complete the scene. What are some DIY ideas for skeleton props? Use PVC pipes for structure and drape cheesecloth or black fabric for a ghostly look. Paint bones with glow-in-the-dark paint, or craft custom skeleton pets from smaller models for a unique touch. Love DIY Halloween builds? Make sure to subscribe for more creative decoration tutorials and seasonal inspiration. How do I create a skeleton yard display on a budget? Buy basic skeletons from dollar stores or clearance sales and style them differently each year. Mix with tombstones, webs, and inexpensive props like lanterns or candles. It's all about creative posing, not pricey decor. What are skeleton porch decor ideas? Sit skeletons on your porch swing, rocking chair, or steps. Give them candy bowls or coffee cups for a fun vibe. Add string lights or pumpkins to make the setup warm and welcoming by day and haunting by night. How can I make my skeleton display glow at night? Use black lights, LED spotlights, or glow paint on the bones. Even a small UV bulb can create that eerie living dead effect. You can also add battery-powered lights inside skulls for glowing eyes. How can I make skeletons look more realistic? Add aged details with brown or black paint washes to mimic dirt and decay. Pose them in lifelike positions, and use jointed limbs for natural movement. The more natural the pose, the creepier the illusion. For more realistic Halloween decor inspiration, check out our Haunted Yard Ideas playlist, linked below. What are great group skeleton display ideas? Create scenes. Skeletons having a dinner party, dancing, or playing instruments. Adding a story element makes your yard display more memorable and Instagram-worthy. What are some creative indoor skeleton decoration ideas? Pose smaller skeletons on mantles, inside cabinets, or hanging from chandeliers. Add hats or funny accessories to match your theme. These details make your interior decor pop without being overwhelming. How can I take my skeleton decor from good to spectacular? Think big. Combine lighting, sound, and movement. Add fog, motion sensors, and coordinated lights. A dynamic display that surprises guests will turn your Halloween home into the talk of the neighborhood. Skeletons bring endless personality to Halloween decor. Whether they're dancing in your yard, lounging on your porch, or towering 12 feet tall in your front lawn, they can be funny, frightening, or completely adorable. And with a little DIY magic, every display tells a story. This year, don't just decorate. Animate your skeletons, give them character, and let them bring your Halloween to life. One bone at a time. Love these ideas? Tap like and share this video to inspire your spooky friends. Which skeleton vibe do you prefer? Funny, cute, or creepy? Tell us in the comments below. Explore our Halloween skeleton and outdoor decor playlist in the description for more bone-chilling inspiration. Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly decorating ideas, DIY tutorials, and seasonal home transformations. Don't miss our Halloween porch, yard, and haunted house decor videos in the description below.